Hi, my name is Layla Sabourian-Tarwé, and I'm a senior marketing manager here at SAP. I manage multiple marketing campaigns that relate to community development, social media, digital media, and I'll be speaking on some of those challenges I face on a daily basis. It's been a new and challenging role for me. I really love it because it's also entering the mobile space, which is something I've been wanting to get into for some time. And my role specifically, I'm focused on bringing new consumer-facing mobile applications to the market. So that begins from, defining what the app is, working with the product owners to really, establish what features are necessary, what could the users most benefit from, how's the user experience. I'm involved from the beginning stages. And then I take responsibility for the go-to-market plans. How are we going to get this to the hands of the consumers? How are we going to establish PR connections? How are we going to build a community around the app? And how are we going to leverage the feedback that we're receiving from the users properly into the product and the next versions of it? So for Recalls, so I started my role with Recalls Plus. I was brought in because of my experience being a mom and being a mom blogger on Yahoo Answers. My blog on parenting had millions of hits per month, and sorry, I think that was 1,000. Okay. So my blog on Yahoo Answers had hundreds of thousands of hits on a weekly basis and was widely read. So that's why the management team at SAP felt like I would be the right person to represent Recalls Plus, because they were doing outreach to parents who are specifically concerned about safety of children. And in that role, I did I ran multiple projects. I launched our first Twitter chat party. We did a community campaign where we did outreach to famous bloggers and asked them to write about the app. We went to various events that SAP had never been to. And I also connected to the White House and basically got us invited to go and represent Recalls Plus, because we leverage government data to ensure safety for children. We have to deliver marketing assets on time, making sure that everything is delivered within a timely manner. So we start by defining what the product is, when should be the marketing plan. We put together a marketing calendar and defining activities that our team is capable of handling, because I work actually in a very startup mode. We have a very small team, and we're working on projects that are handled or built separately in a separate location called the App House, where we focus on SAP's consumer apps. And we pretty much function like a startup, but we still have the support of the bigger organization and at times the bureaucracy to manage through. We are a global company, so something as simple as launching a new website takes a lot more processes than a normal startup would have. So part of my job is to project manage those activities, making sure that every involved party is aware and updated on our progress, and that we're respecting every privacy line that's entailed.